Math. When you need help, you use Minute Math. I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're going to learn about rounding numbers. And we'll round each to the place indicated. We have 8, 6, 3, 2, 0, 5, 1. Okay, and we have to round it to the indicated place, which is right here. Okay, so we have our 8,632,051. Okay, well, we're indicating rounding to this place, so I have to look right to the right. That's a 6. That 6 causes this 8 to round up. So we round up that 8 to a 9. Okay, so we always look to the right. The 6, since it's above or 5 and up, rounds up to that 9, and the rest are just zeros. And so our answer here is just 9 million, and that's our rounded answer. 25952,938. Okay? Well, I have to round on this 9 right there. Okay? Well, the first thing is I look, okay. So look at the 9 and I look at the 5 to the right. Well, since that's a 5, it's a 5 and up, right? It's in that category, this 9 has to round up. Well, 1 up past 9 is 0. Okay? So a 0 is going to go there, and we're going to add a 1 to that 5. Okay? So the 5 adds 1 to be a 6. Okay? The 2 comes down. And then once we've done that, right, so we have 259 has been rounded up, the 9 to a 10, right, so the 0, 1 up there, add up the 5 as a 6, we have zeros the rest of the way, and there we have our final answer of 26 million. 803,119, okay? We're rounding on this first one right there. Okay, so we look to the right, and the right is just a 1. Okay, and the right is just a 1. We're essentially rounding down or keeping this first one the same. So we have 1, and the rest is just 0. Since we rounded just down, nothing changes over here. So we bring down the 803, and there we have our answer, 803,100. Okay, 73693. Okay, and we're rounding on this 7. Okay, well, I look to the right of that 7 and I see a 3. That causes us to round down. So the 7 stays the same, it doesn't get added, another number. And the rest are just zeros across the board. And so our answer here is just 70,000. 2, 4, 6, 1, 6, 1, 2, 2, 4, 2. And we are rounding at this first 2. Okay? So I kind of ignore everything else. I just look at this 2 and the number just to the right of it. Well, the number just to the right is a 4. Okay? Since that 4 is between 0 and 4, we round downwards, keeping this 2 the same, and the rest just becomes 0. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay? And so we actually have a 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 as our answer. Okay? 7, 8, 9, 1, 3, 2, 3, 7, 7. Okay? And we're looking at this first 7 right here. Okay? Well, I look at that 7 and I look to the right. 8 is in the category from 5 to 9, right? That causes a 7 to round upwards. So this becomes an 8. Oops, don't need that right there. This becomes an 8, and the rest are just zeros afterwards. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And so here we have just 800 million, and that is our answer. 9, 8, 8, 5, 6, 5, 9, 2, 6, 0, and we're rounding in the billions. Okay? Well, the billions place is right here on that 9. Okay? So the billions is on that 9, so that's what I'm looking at. Okay? Well, we look to the right. That 8 is between 5 and 9, causing this side to round up. Okay, so as we're rounding up, 1 up from 9 is a 10. So we actually have a 10 here. Then the rest of these numbers become 0. So we have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And so 10 billion is our final answer. 2, 6, 2, 8, 2, 5, 9. And we're rounding in the thousands. Okay, rounding in the thousands. Well, the thousands place, okay, excuse me, on the mark is right here on that 8. That's the thousands place. All right. So what I do is I look to the right. The right of 8 is a 2, causing the 8 and everything to right to round down. So we're rounding down from there. So the 8 stays the same, okay, and the rest of these numbers become zeros. We then can just bring down the stuff to the left, 6, 2, and then we have a 2 out here. Okay, so here we have our final answer of 2,628,000, and that's it. 3, 4, 7, 1, 6, 8. And they tell us to round to the 10 thousands. Okay, the 10 thousands. Well, that 10 thousands is right here on that 4. All right, so I look at the 4 and I look what's to the right of it. Okay, to the right of it I see a 7. That 7 indicates a 4 rounds up. So 4 plus 1 is 5, and the rest is just zeros afterwards then. 0, 0, 0, 0, but then we bring down this 3. Don't forget that. So our answer here is just 350,000. 9, 7, 2, 7, 3, 2, 2, 0, 5, 4. Okay? And we're rounding that in the billions. Billions. So the billions place is right here at this 9. Okay? It's our billions place. So I look to the right of a 9 and I see a 7. That 7 is between 5 and 9, causing the 9, this 9, to round up. 1 plus 9 is 10. So we have a 10 here, and the rest of these numbers get replaced with zeros at this point. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0, 0, 0. And so here we have our final answer of just 10 billion. 1, 3, 9, 9, 1, 7, 9, and we're rounding to the thousands. Okay, we're rounding to the thousands, okay? Well, I look at the thousands place, and the thousands place right here is that 9, the second 9, okay? So I look to the right of that 9, that's where I start, and that's just a 1. That causes the 9 to round down or stay the same. So 9 stays the same, the rest becomes zeros to the right, okay? And on the left-hand side, I keep everything else the same, okay? And so now we have our final rounded answer of 1,399,000, and that's it. Two, 7, 1, 1, 5, 6, 6, 9, 4, and we're rounding to the millions. Okay, we're rounding to the millions, okay? Well, first thing, I indicate the millions. The millions place is right here on that 1, okay? I look to the right of that 1, I see another 1. That 1 causes this first one to round down. It's between 0 and 4. So we keep a 1 here. Everything else to the right becomes 0, so 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And I bring down to the left the 2 and the 7. Okay? So we have our final answer here, rounded, of 271 million, and that's it. 44.544349.5. Okay? And we're rounding here on this 4. Okay? So I look to the right of that 4. The right of that 4, I see a 9. That 9 causes this 4 to round up, and that rounds up into a 5. Okay? Rounds up to a 5. Well, the rest of this, though, you can write zeros afterwards, and generally I like 2, but it depends really what your teacher wants. Some people say write zeros afterwards because it shows that you were rounded, but either way, the 5 is there. We don't really need to write the zeros. I'll bring everything else down to the left. Here we have our final answer, 44.54435. 5.3373959. And this 9 right here is where we're rounding, okay? Well, look at that 9 and look to the right. The right's a 5. The 5 causes the 9 to round up to a 10, okay? So a little 10 there, which actually changes that 3. So 39, the sense right here, the little 39 rounds up to 40, okay? We leave 5, 9 to the right gone. We bring down everything else, 733.5. And here we have our answer, 5.33740. 8.7495980. And we're rounding on this 9 right there, okay? So I look at that 9 and I look to the right. The right's an 8. The 8 causes the 9 to round up to a 10. Well, I can put the 0 down here, but I have to do something with that 1. The 1 causes the 5 to round up to a 6. That's what happens, okay? We leave off the 8, 0 on the right, bring down everything on the left, 8.749, and we have our final rounded answer, 8.74960. 74.91. And we need to round on this 9 right there, okay? Well, I look to the right of that 9, and I see a 1. That 1 causes the 9 to round down. So we're left with that 9, okay, right there. And that's it. We don't worry about the 1 on the right. Bring down the 7, 4. And here we have our answer. Pretty quick and easy. 74.9. 0.72091. And we're rounding on that 9 right there. Okay? Well, I look to the right of that 9. I see a 1. That 1 causes this 9 to round down. So the 9 just comes down right here. I don't worry about anything else to the right. That's there, right? I bring down everything on the left. We have 0 to 7.0. And so here we have our final answer, 0.7209. 23.0368. And I'm rounding on this 6 right there. Okay? Well, I look to the right of the 6, I see the 8. 8 is between 5 and 9. That causes a 6 to round up to the 7. Okay? I then get rid of that 8 and bring down everything else. 23.03. And here we have our rounded answer, 23.037. 9.3113. And we're going to round to the thousands. Okay, round to the thousands. Well, the thousands place is right here on the second one. Okay, so when we round this, okay, we take that 1, we look to the right, we see the 3. That 3 is between 0 and 4, causing the 1 to round down. So the 1 stays the same, we ignore the 3 on the right, and we bring down everything else. Here we have our final answer of 9.311. 6.9788, and I need to round that to the tenths. Tenths. Okay, kind of wrote it sideways there, but it's gonna bother me. Tenths. Okay. So we have the tenths place. Well, the tenths place is right here on that 9. Okay. Well, that 9, I look to the right. That 7 is between 5 and 9, causing this 9 to round up by 1. Well, that 9 becomes a 10. So we have a 0 here. The 1 goes with that 6 to make it a 7. Okay? And the rest just disappears. And so we're left with our final answer of just 7. 6.3761. And I'm rounding that to the nearest tenths. Okay? Well, the tenths place is right here where that 3 is. Okay? So I look to the right. The right of the 3, I see a 7. The 7 is between 5 and 9. That causes a 3 to round up to be a 4. Okay? The rest to the right, we throw away, we disappear. It disappears, we don't need it. The 6 and the decimal point comes down, and we have our final answer of just 6.4. 1.7354948, and we're rounding to the 100 thousandths. the 100,000ths. Well, the 100,000ths place is right here on that 9, okay? So I look to the right of the 9, I see a 4. That 4 causes the 9 to round down because the 4 is between 0 and 4, right? So 9 rounds down, keeping it a 9. To the right, the 4 is just left alone, 4 left alone disappears, and we bring down everything else. 4, 5, 3, 7, the decimal point and 1. So our final rounded answer is 1.73549. 1.495485. And we're rounding that to the thousandths. The thousandths, okay? Well, the thousandths place is right here on that 5. So I'll take the 5, I look to the right. I see the 4. The 4 is between 0 and 4, causing the 5 to round down. So 5 stays the same. Rounding down means we take the rest here, keep it away, 5 stays the same. Okay, or throw it away, not keep it away, throw it away. 1.49 comes down, and we have here now just our rounded answer of 1.495. 8.121, and we're going to round that to the hundredths. The hundredths, okay? Well, I look at the hundredths place, and the hundredths place is right here where that 2 is, okay? The 2 is the indicated hundredths place, all right? I look to the right of the 2, I see a 1. The 1 is between 0 and 4, right? That causes the 2 to round down. 2 stays the same. I don't write anything to the right here. Okay, I bring down the 8.1, and now we have our final answer of 8.12.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math. Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math. MinuteMathTutor.com.